I'm the Ketoing Viking, and today we are making Viking coleslaw. So stay tuned. Okay, we're going to start with some pre-made coleslaw mix. Now, if you want to go ahead and cut yourself up some cabbage, you can. It's perfectly fine. I'm lazy, and the battle is real. So I just went to the store and got myself a pre-made bag of coleslaw mix. To that, we are going to add some celery, chopped very fine, and peppers. For the recipe, look at the comments below. We're going to chop the peppers really fine. Now you can, these are sweet peppers, but you can add whatever peppers you want. If you want bell peppers, you can add bell peppers. If you want spicy, go for the serrano or the jalapeno. If you don't like peppers, don't add peppers. But this will be a hit at any party or celebration. So I picked out, I like these sweet peppers because they are beautiful and they look amazing in dishes. Whatever you want to do, this is your recipe. And I encourage you to play around and have fun with it. Okay, we're going to add this. Okay, now to this mixture, we're going to add some mayo. Now you can make your own mayo. It is really easy. I will post a recipe here soon. Otherwise, store-bought mayo is perfectly fine. And then we are going to add our cream. Beautiful. And mustard. And we are going to stir. Now, as we're stirring, we're going to sprinkle xanthan gum in. This thickens everything. Make sure that everything amalgamates just nicely. Mixes very well. Now, when everything is mixed up, everything looks good. This is the crazy part. We were going to add a little bit more here. You are going to add the secret ingredient, which is either red wine vinegar, or apple cider vinegar. Now, if you are very ketoing and you are serious about your Viking body, then I suggest using apple cider vinegar. But I like to make my own vinegar here. And actually what it is wine that I forget about in the fridge. I will also make that recipe later. Okay, here we go. Now this is as much or as little as you want, but I recommend about a cup. We're going to saturate this. Now, if you like sweet coleslaw, which every Viking loves sweet coleslaw, and we are going to add some sweetener. And if you need just a little bit more, add just a little bit more to coat this. Make sure it looks really good. And we are going to mix this very, very well. And now we are going to play around some more. And we are going to add some special spices. Whatever spices you would like, you can add as much or as little. I'm first going to add a little bit of white pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of dill. Again, if you don't want these, you don't have to add these. If you want to add your own mixture, you can. And of course, salt. If you're doing a low salt diet, you could omit this. If you want, you could add as much salt as you want. Okay, and see how easy that was? Okay, and we are done. It is thoroughly mixed. Time to try it out. Okay, time to try it out here. Okay, ideally you want to store this in an airtight container overnight before you serve this, and serve chilled. Okay, I'm going to take a big taste. Again, this is fresh. Hold on. Okay. Okay. This is delicious. And you could serve this just like this because this is really good. Okay, spot on. Well, there you go. Viking coleslaw.